Hi everyone, I thought I would just pop on and do a very quick unboxing for you. I'm getting ready to open an America's Thrift Supply 5-pound jewelry bag for Monday's video, but I just got a package in and I wanted to open it because I cannot wait to see what I got. I received an email the other day that I had $100 credit on the RealReal because one of you subscribers used my referral link, which I have down in my description box. When you're a new consignor, you get $100 credit and I get one. So I was so excited to get that, and I decided I would make a purchase because you only have a certain amount of time to use it. And I was able to pick up this Gucci item. So let's go ahead and get this open and take a look. And again, thank you so much to the person that used my code. If you do have anything that you're potentially interested in sending into the RealReal for consignment, make sure you use my referral link that I have in my description box. So let's get this open here. And it did come, now it's in a box. I don't know if this is the original box from the item or if the RealReal just put it in a box. The listing did not state that it came with a box. So let's take a look. And this was not really anything that was on my wish list. I was just kind of going through and seeing what some of the options were for purchase. And I thought this was priced really well, and I decided to pull the trigger on it. So it just comes with the little label showing the item number. And in your account on the RealReal, you can also pull a validation report, or I'm sorry, a valuation report showing what the estimated current market value is. So this is not a branded box, so just a generic one that the RealReal put it in. And here it is. I thought this was so cool. And I actually got a Gucci brooch with the lion head from the RealReal previously. That one is just all metal. It's not the resin or whatever material this is. But it is a watch, and it is on this really cool rainbow band. And it's got the Gucci down in there. And I'm not sure what that means there. And it says Paramore on that side. And this opens up and slides. And it has the watch face. And it did say that it would be working. This is not set to the right time. So... and there's no second hand. So I will have to check that out and make sure that it's working. But I thought this was so cool. And it's a pretty rare find in this colorway. So again, thank you so much to the subscriber that used my link. So I thought this was just a really cool piece to add to my collection. So I'm excited to wear this. So I'm definitely going to need to make sure it's working before I commit to keeping it, but very, very exciting. So I just thought I would share this really quick. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back on Monday with a brand new video. Take care.